Check. Okay, guys, so I'm currently waiting on my friend Aaron. He will be shooting a car today. I don't remember the name of the car. I know it's a BMW or Benz. I don't know. I just know that it's a nice sports car. You get me? But the vlog for today, right? Do people still vlog? I'm not even sure. But the idea for today, right? So currently I'm shooting on the Sony FX3. This is like a Sony FX3 Sigma 35 to 1.4. This is almost like a $5,000 setup, right? And my next camera, which I walk with me every day, that's the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm going to see what I can do with iPhone 15 Pro Max as relates to shooting a car. You get me? I'll be shooting to a SSD drive and the whole works. So actually waiting for that phone call so I can, pick up my friend and then head to that nice spot to shoot that car. Just actually watching the weather and hope it's not that bad, but let's see how it goes. Alright, so what's up, guys? I'm here once more. If you can hear this loud growling in the back, yeah, so this is a BMW M3. You get me? So I have my friend here around there shooting it. So I'm actually trying to shoot it with this setup right now. I'm not sure what it's going to look like, you get me, but I haven't placed my iPhone in the setup as yet. So one of the cool thing about this SmallRig setup, I can actually just take my phone out and then just slide it in, and boom, you'd be good to go. So I'm going to actually wipe off the camera first before I actually do any form of shooting. So let's go. Alright, so make sure I have my ND filter, right? My SSD drive, right? This is a 2 terabyte SSD, and this gimbal is the Crane 4. So let me just slide in my camera. Alright, so let me just make sure that I always wipe off my phone camera at all times. So yeah, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let me just slide this in. Make sure it is fixed properly. Record this song. Yo, this is a weird setup. Oh, Ross, it's still a record. Let's realize this is still a record. So we use Blackmagic camera app, and then record. Make sure some record straight to the SSD. God, it's so hard to read from side here. Record. No, hold on there. Display, record, clip. No, then save files to files. Back. Browse. NVMI. Open. No, I can record. Alright, finally, I've solved this. So I'm going to actually try and record this right now. So let's see what the footage looks like. Trying to get this shot.
be my best man. Sending cash to my account, he investing.
What's it like to shoot with this? It's very weird, right? Because I have to like find a way to like wire this thing properly because like I do have a short Type-C cable, and yo, it's very weird to shoot with this. Like shoot with it like this. You know what I should have done? I should have like flip where I mount everything so the cable would be good. But that means I would have to flip the video in post, right? So let me do a next test shot. So this is what it looks like. You get me? Shooting in this setup. I don't think it's fully balanced, right? But I'm shooting in 4K 60. Yo, this looks really good, to be honest. This looks really good. All right, so I have the display loot turned on so I can see what it looks like. So let's go.
Dark shades on when I'm off the Migos. He tryna cuff me like a nigga in a Rico. Moving through this shit like GTA with a cheat code. He claimed that he love me but be fucking all the freak hoes. I just wanna dance all night. Can't nobody do it just like I. Boy, you got just what I like. Come on baby, let's kiss, don't fight. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like.
Alright, so basically, well, lace is not tied, so I don't know if the audio sounds good because I'm actually right beside Beast, which is right here. So lovely, so nice. So based on what I'm looking at so far, I love what it looks like on the phone. I'm actually shot this in HDR just in case you want to just post right away. You get me, no massive grading, and then I also shot in ProRes log where you can get, you know, you can maximize how you want the footage to look in post. So trust me guys, so this is a really cool shoot. I'm a bit tired right now, but yo, the quality from this setup is really nice. Is it worth it? I don't know, but is it cool? Yes, it is. It's really cool. All right, so I'm currently doing a vertical setup. This is what it looks like, shooting vertically. SSD on top. Is it fully balanced? No, but I still getting a shot done. Yo, I got some dope shot with this setup, so you guys would have to be the judge and tell me if shots from this phone setup make sense and is the quality good enough. All right, so I hope you guys can stay tuned for more content like this. Actually love this kind of setup. It's very cool. It looks very slick, and all of this is coming from a phone, a mobile device. That's very interesting. So I got shots for Instagram Reels, and now I've shot for YouTube. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.
she investing.